Yeah, mate. Now, babysitting today. Fish of the day. Wood yard, cleaning up, worn out, hot. I wish it would just stop freezing rain. I'm worn out. I've had enough. Doing water and ice. I'm just wet. Hot sweat. Anyway, 4 cans of Coke last night. Sitting here, sanding. And guess what? I can get the piston now dropped down. If I drop it down exactly where it has to go, drops through. But if I turn it to film a few mils all the way up 90 degrees, it will not come out. So, sorry. So the arrow to the exhaust, if I turn it like just a little bit, that's where it should be like that. If I turn it just a bit like that, it won't go the other way. There's a hard spot on the side. See, now the piston's stuck. Now I would not recommend this, I would not do this normally, but the guy who owns this is an apprentice artist and he's young, so I don't know why I do this. If you're a good worker, you should pay a good worker a good wage. Look after the workers, because the other dickheads who don't really want to work, want to have a good job, want to get paid just as much, so pay for the guys who work hard and the guys who don't, piss them off, really, just look after the good young guys. Like, cut this off, pick up the G460s, yeah, G460s, yeah, G460s, the chamber shaft, and wire shaft. But anyway, I wouldn't normally do this, but what I wanted to do, I need to sleep, guys. I don't know. What I want to do is to do a rough 600 grit sandpaper at home, like that, on where the intake is an issue. Hone that part there as hard as I can, quickly. Finish it off with 1200 grit sandpaper, 1200 grit sandpaper hit by hand, and put it back together. Run it with one ring. Yeah, if it works, I'll put it back together probably with 2 rings. If it doesn't work, I know. But normally I would not do this. I don't think it's needed in this, but the guy Aaron who owns this, sorry, I'm tired. I'm really tired. I think he has got cash. When I was young, I didn't have cash either, so it's a high piston. I think it's a crap cylinder. I'm not sure who made that. But yeah, so I'll put that in there. I get the intake. Knock off the high spot. Now this would work a lot better if I had a ball honing tool. I don't have that. And look, I can't feel any high spots at all. Look in there. Nothing is turning it as a high spot. My finger will stop freaking bleeding. God. I wanted to get some water and ice today. Put the ice in a glass. I thought the glass was made of plastic. I haven't used that glass before. Tablet would make the ice break up and the glass would pop all over the floor, over my hands, cover my hands. Yeah, I don't know. Humidity. Look, I live in New South Wales, Australia. There's 5 states in Australia, and there's 2 territories in New South Wales, ACT and Northern Territory. It's 2 states, 2 territories. Oh, there you go. Anyway, I thought it'd be right. That wasn't at all. Yeah, I'll do it again. Clean that part there up just as I can. I'm turning off the high spot, where that is. Where's my brake? Let's pop that there. And if I can get it to work right, I'll see you guys. Maybe I can fix it up, but I would not recommend this. I don't normally do stuff like this. If I'm going to put a motor up and charge someone on a motor, I know that will be good. The arrow towards the exhaust. Yeah, piston size in there easily. A little bit off. No, still gets stuck. So that's where it sits now. Slightly off. I can pull it out. So what I'm worried about, okay, say the piston is warped just a bit, and the cylinder's warped just a bit. Usually the rings are not warped, so the rings will get hung up on the high spot. And yeah, we'll run, but it will not last at all. So really it will be a waste of time if I do it right. So it still has to do a bit more work on that. So a little bit more. I need on the intake side, because I know, look last video, I know the intake is where it's stuck. Not the exhaust, not the transfers, just the intake on the PTO side, supposed to say. PTO, yeah. But, try to help the young work out. So, going around, but also go in it, so home but not home. What if that's fixed up it there? Hopefully. And I'll finish it off with hand by 1200 grit. How's that go now? Out of exhaust. Not hung up still. Get it perfectly straight. Perfect. Drop. No. Still hung up. So something is warped. I'm not sure what it is. And I think it is the piston. I really do. So that was straight. Bloody wires to keep bleeding. Look at that. Blood. So I'll cut it up with the 1200. Just in the intake where I worked out with sticking this though. I want to get this all back together for him. I'm gonna put it mostly together. No bar, no chain, no guards, no plastic. I want to just run it. Heat circle 2 or 3 times on ring, just to see what it does, and pull it apart and have a look down the cylinder and see if I find out where she's getting stuck, or if it's warped, or go for the Nextel chrome. I think it's Nextel, but not just poor quality, guys, just bad stuff. It shouldn't be like that though. They normally have pretty good quality control normally. But I have come across this bad stuff before, so you can't stop it. So I've done a bit there. Yeah, say drink Coke. Listening to music yesterday. 4 cans. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 4 cans of Coke. Sitting in the heat. No wind, no water. No wind now today too. And I want this to go flying down here on an angle. The way it should be, the way it should go straight. Angle straight. Way it should fit down the hole. Over to the exhaust again. Straight where it should be. Yeah, there you go. So maybe it should work. So I'll stick with that and see how she goes. I can't find anywhere it sticks up weird, or no lump, no bump that sticks out the way it shouldn't. So I'm wondering what's going to happen, guys. A lot of the work almost. These big bore kits. It's an 029. Hang on. MS290, but the 039. So 039 or 390, whatever it is. Big bore kit for that. But yeah, I want it to fit, I want it to go good. I already poured the thing, so it should go good. But I never checked the piston works. So that fits. Drop. Yep. Maybe it will work. So we'll see if she goes with that. I'll put her back together and try her out. But yeah, 2 or 3 heat cycles and pull it apart and see what the damage is. Then I'll put 2 rings back in there and see she goes. Anyway, so there. So clean it all up as I can. Brake cleaner. There, the road. 1200 grit paper. And magnets. magnets, I should say. I've gone around the piston, just looking like that, from the piston right up, no high spots. Just, I really do properly should be in the lathe, should be spinning, and gently be handling and lathe with the lathe. But I could be both. But anyway, clean all the stuff I can off there, all high spots I can. And see, this is a very much experimental. I would not recommend this, I would not normally do this, but we're working on buying another motor piston still, another cylinder and piston kit. But we'll see, maybe I can say this, maybe it will go good, maybe it will last, I don't know. But let's show you guys. The trials and tribulations. I had enough time road tires. I've had a bloody poof about again, I think. That's the piston. So the cylinder's been cleaned numerous times, wiped out. I go in the house to get some hot water, detergent, wash it all out again, compress the air, and just, yeah, I will do it actually. Put it back together until she goes, so that's where it should be. So, okay, so that works now, but will the rings go the way they should go, or the ring? Do the top ring? Yeah. But I think it might be the piston. And the reason I say that, the wrist pin would go in here, but I had to tap the wrist pin with a screwdriver. So I had to put the wrist pin in here and tap it in the hole. It was tight, more than tight, it was snug, it was annoyingly tight. So I think this is warped, and I find it hard to believe a highway, it's weird. So when I put it together, the first ring I put first time on one side and side, so I pulled the wrist pin out and put the other side and tipped it in. It's still tight, so I don't know why. No, I have tried this before, where the wrist pin won't go in. But what happens is two points of reference. The wrist pin goes in one side and doesn't line up the other side. That's twisted. So others said it's twisted that way. But when it's hard to go in with just the leading hole, that's when you go, that's so wrong there. So anyway, I put this part to get this part of the saw together, and then let it, I think, like that. But that's all it cleaned up. I'll give a hot water bath and clean up again. But yeah, at least the piston now drops the way it should drop. In the hole. No. Still stuck. I think now, yeah, you're dead right, God. But it goes up and down in certain ways, so it doesn't really matter. As long as you get to go the way it should go. You can't turn it into the ball normally. Or you can't turn the cylinder ball as it goes down with the piston, the crank, the conrod. Medium, I don't think. Oh yeah. Put the way it should go. So it should go like that. So I'll do one ring, put it back together, try it and see if she goes. But I don't normally do this, I would not recommend it. But yeah, trials and tribulations of cheap stuff. Anyway guys, leave me excuse. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll put this together, listen to some music and probably crash. I normally put me draw it like that. Put my chair here and let it get to draw and go to sleep. So let me go and do my bed. But yeah, look after your health, it is hard. You have issues, it really kills you. Anyway guys, over and out, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.